Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Those of you who are new, to my regular subscribers, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your collage for the Dolly Parton meme challenge. I know you've seen it a lot on Instagram lately, and you're probably not sure how to make it to get it posted to your page, so I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm doing it on an Android phone. I am using a Samsung S9 to make this collage, and we're going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First, you go into your Instagram app, and then you're going to hit the plus button at the bottom. And then what you're going to do, you're first going to select your first photo. It's going to be from photos that are already posted to your Instagram page. No, I'm lying. It's going to be just from photos that are in your gallery. So you go in and you touch your first photo. And remember, you could do this using either faces, food. A lot of people are doing it using a lot of different things. But I'm going to do it showing faces. So you touch your first photo. And that's how you get started. Now, if you look right here in the photo, you see next to the boomerang symbol, there is a layout page. So you touch that. And then you choose your other 4 photos that you want to use. So I have that one right there. Choose another and another. And of course, there's a lot of people have a lot of different photos in their gallery. I recently cleaned my phone, so that's why I only have a little bit. Okay, so you have 4 photos chosen. Now you get to the layout, you will go to the top. Oh, I forgot to mention, you could also, if you come towards the bottom of the page, you see where it says gallery highlighted. You could also touch faces. That way you won't have anything to choose from but pictures of faces. See all those other pictures I have here, it's pictures that I've taken in order to upload my videos to YouTube. So that's what you see all these pictures of. Okay, so I've chosen 4 pictures. Now you come towards the top of the page, and the first layout, you're going to touch that one. And there you go. You have the first layout. Now what you want to do, I want a frame around it. So I hit that to make a frame. And then from here, you could go ahead and add filters if you want to. Or you could just go ahead and click next. See, now it's taking you to the feed. So you don't want to go to your Instagram feed because you need to add the words LinkedIn, Facebook, Tinder, and Instagram. So what I do from here is I take a screenshot. And as you know, to take a screenshot from your Android phone, however you take a screenshot, if you're watching this from your iPhone also, to take a screenshot with your Android phone, you hit the power button and the volume down button. So you take a screenshot and then you edit it. You edit that to make sure you have it framed correctly. And then you hit share. Now you could either hit save or share if you want to. Now you want to send it to your stories. And from your storage page, now you have the text button. And let's see, Facebook. You hit Facebook, you click done, and you drag it to where you need to put it. And you could also resize the font to make it smaller, larger. You could do it in classic, you could do it in modern, you could do it in neon, whichever one you want to. Okay, let me put it on typewriter just to give you another version. And then, so that was Facebook. Let me do LinkedIn. A lot of people do it in caps also. So you hit done. Okay, let's see another font. You're going to hit the text again. Let's do classic. So the next one will be Instagram. Oh, I think I already did that one. Let's just do it for interest of time. And the last one would be Let me do this one in modern. The last one would be Tinder. Tinder. Done. And then you resize it and drag it to the bottom portion of the page. And from here, after you fix it and straighten it out, you like the way it look, you just add it to your story. And then we're waiting for it to post. And then from your story, you hit more. And then it says share as post. And of course, you go in now and you share it as a post to your page. Okay, so that is how you go in and you make the collage for your Dolly Parton challenge. So being that this was just a tutorial, I am going to go in and delete that. See, I already made it last night. So I'm going to go in and delete that. Okay, guys, so that's how you make the Dolly Parton challenge using your Android phone. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.